really loud over here, but we're at the new body shop. We're adding a new second floor to the back building. As you can see, we have a ceiling or roof coming up. It's exciting. We're moving. We're almost...
Perfect. Channel 2 News, Eyewitness News. This is Marwan and Haywood reporting to you live from the trunk of this Tesla. Haywood, how's the weather today? That powdery sugar cloud in there.
I'm gonna fart. You're gonna make me fart.
The building that you just saw that was being built, it's up now. It's the next day, that's why. Isn't that crazy how fast it is? So let me show you some of the new parts of the building. So here's the back building that you guys saw earlier. Here's what it looks like, everything open. As you can see, we have some of our cars. We have some of our customers' cars here. It's being still worked on, but it's a lot nicer than our current location at Bellaire. And in case you don't know, we are actually having a moving sale right now. We're trying to do a sale on window tint, Clearbra, and vinyl wraps. If you're interested in, hit us up just to make our move a little bit easier. Guys, I'm excited to bring you another Tesla vinyl wrap project. We have this blue one in today. We're actually kind of getting started. As you can see, removing badges. We are wrapping this car a really cool color. Well, two cool colors actually.
The dark blue greenish color. It's like psychedelic.
Oh, interesting. It's like a magical sort of dirty lake water seaweed color. Would you agree, Dustin? There's also an accent color somewhere. Let's see if I can show you guys. Oh, look at that. This is crazy cool. It's like this reddish orange gold sparkle color. It's called Sunshift. We're gonna be using this color on the T logos for an accent. So this combined with that bluish green is what we're gonna be doing.
I think outside it's gonna look crazy.
So right now we're washing the car. We're trying to get as much of the dirt off before we get started. So progress update, we have most of the car done right now. From this angle, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like this is not done yet. But if you look at the color, it's very similar. So it's kind of neat. It still kind of maintains that OEM blue, but then as you can see, obviously when you shift, it gets a little bit greener. So it's like a nice subtle change. What do you think of the color, Sean?
It's shifty.
So we're working on the badges right now. These are the badges that came off the Y. They were wrapped previously in like this color shifting green, as you can see. But we're gonna take it off and we're gonna go with the orange red. You know, this color really brings out your eyes.
The color in your pubes.
You have to let me know in the comments if the end result surprised you as much as it did for me. Seeing the color on the roll versus seeing it on the car is totally different than I expected. I like it a lot more than I thought it would. It's really neat. It has a similar blue as the factory color in certain angles, but then it shifts to that darker green that you see. It's one of the more subtle color shifts we've done, which is great because you can have something really unique while still subtle enough to daily drive. Just for reference, this color is called Thunderous Blue-Green, and the red-orange accent color is Sunset Shift, and they work really well together. Hope you enjoy some of these close-up shots of the wrap. I really like showcasing edges because you can really appreciate how clean the end results look, and that's important because it separates what we do from anyone and everyone else. If you like this wrap or want us to wrap your car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.